Gamble here from Gamble Gaming. Today I actually am making a video reviewing a mic I recently purchased. But before I get into all that, I want to go ahead and give a shout out to my friend Beck from Beck Clothing. He makes a lot of great gear, anything hats, shorts, uh, shirts, hoodies, jackets. I'll go ahead and uh, link his website on the description below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out and support. And now to the mic. I found this mic here from FIFINE Technology. I wanted a mic that was beyond just your normal regular gaming headset with the mic, party chat. So because I do stream on Twitch and Mixer, and when I make videos, as you can tell, the mic isn't the greatest. I'm using the mic from the webcam, so it doesn't quite capture all my voice without me getting a little loud. So I didn't want to sound like I'm always screaming or yelling. So I went ahead and I purchased this mic. I'm on a budget, can't really be spending a lot of money on, great mic. Hopefully one day, I can go ahead and upgrade. But for now, I found this mic. It was a reasonable price. I'll also go ahead and put a link in the description below. But let's get into it. FIFINE Technologies to see what it has. Alright, so getting back to it, just had to switch cameras. But here's the mic. FIFINE Technologies. It includes, obviously the manual, the user guide, so you can see what it all has. Pretty cool. So you can check that out. It also includes the pop filter, and underneath here we have everything else. As you can tell, it has all the needed components. Your shock mount, the C clamp. It has the desk boom arm, which is kind of cool, so you don't have to keep it on your desk, as you talk or whatnot. Obviously, the microphone also has that the windscreen cap. It has a pivot mount. It also has like a little tripod stand, as well as the 2.5 USB cable. So it has everything you need, And this is what it looks like right here. Alright. And of course, the desk mount. So it's pretty cool, as again, everything you may need to set it up however you want, actually. Here's a little tripod. So if you want to keep it on the desk, use it that way. And then the clamp, the desk clamp. So let me go ahead. I'll be right back. Let me set it up and we'll go from there. Alright, so we're back. I've gone ahead and plugged it into the back of the PC through the cable here. Alright, it's pretty long, so I'll reach wherever your PC is set, your tower is set on your desk or on the floor. I have mine on the floor next to my desk. I set it up with the tripod so it can sit right in front of me. And as you can tell, the quality is a lot better. I'm not, it's just my regular voice. I'm not yelling. I'm not raising my voice. Doesn't sound like I'm screaming. The device is all metal. which is really great. It has a weight to it. It has a volume meter here. All right. And honestly, the look of it looks great. I really like how it sits here. But obviously, I'm not always gonna have it just on my on the tripod here. I'm also gonna uh, get another video of it sitting with the clamp and the arm on the desk so you can see how it looks. Uh, I'm gonna go ahead and set this on so you can also take a look. So, captures the wind, whatever sound. So it looks great with and without the wind cover. I really enjoy how it looks. It sounds great. Uh, so honestly, I mean, overall for the price, I love it. I honestly do recommend it. Again, the link will be in the description below. And let's go ahead and set it up with the arm and see what that looks like. All right, so I've gone ahead and I mounted it to the desk. Uh, this is how it's currently sitting on my desk. It's in front of me. Maybe like a foot away or so. The sound is again great. You don't have to yell, scream. You can raise the volume so you can pick more stuff up. I love how it sits this way, to be honest. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it's currently sitting. Alright. So this is how it's currently sitting. So I mean it has its arm. Sits great, to be honest. I mean I love it, to be honest. I'd prefer it like this. Let's go ahead and try it on with the windscreen. See how it looks. It's really aesthetically pleasing, to be honest. I can't say I'm actually really glad I purchased it. It makes me look a little better when I'm making my videos or even when I'm streaming. Although I might still use my headset mic when I'm streaming, when I'm gaming and whatnot. But I might as well just use the mic. It's always going to be sitting on my desk, especially if I can just mount it on the desk like this. It looks great. And we still have the pop screen in case we makes that too many popping sounds or whatnot. When we pop our words, we can always place this on and see what we think. As a matter of fact, let's try it out. See how that looks. Just bear with me here. All right. Alright, so obviously right now it's covering my face, but I can bring it down. Just kind of put it away from my face. Hopefully it doesn't pop as much. I don't even need the windscreen right now because there is no wind, so I can even pull that off. And again, it's sitting there away from my face. I gotta say, I really love how it looks, and the sound is great. Appreciate you guys stopping by and watching my video of this mic review. please, comment, subscribe, like, let me know what you guys think. It helps me create more content, especially because I am growing. I'm starting off, so any feedback would really help. And I'll also link my streams for Twitch and Mixer on the description below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys have yourself a great day.